Thank God I finally get some time away from the evil monkey in my closet.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and tonight, guys, we're back at our regular location in Longmont, Colorado, here at the Wild Game, and tonight is the last night, my camera keeps focusing, of the year that we're going to be doing a race. So I will show you the last race of 2018. Alright guys, so we're kind of in our usual location, and we don't have as many people here tonight just because holidays, everybody's got plans, things like that, so I'm going to kind of show you.
More racing for us.
More racing for us, exactly. So we'll start off here at the banister. We're going to shoot through here, and then we're going to do a quick pin turn through this one. Hey everybody! And we're going to go through here. And then we're going to go back over there, and then back back through there, and then around, and then we actually have some setup over there, which is really, really cool. So we'll get some flight footage for you guys and show you the race tonight.